Guardian's G1562 is an ANSI-compliant portable eyewash keg unit. It is ideal for use in areas where a continuous supply of potable water is unavailable for plumbed units. Guardian takes great pride in the quality of its packaging, neatly organizing all components for secure shipping. The upper eyewash assembly is stored in the center compartment, with the clamp components and bacteriostatic additive stored adjacent to it. Removal of the center compartment and divider exposes the keg and fill tube. Remember to lift with proper form to prevent injury. G1562 components include upper eyewash assembly and drench hose, clamp, bolts, clips, washers, nuts, and tank gasket in one plastic bag, bacteriostatic additive, fill tube, and 15-gallon keg. Before assembling the keg, it must first be filled. Guardian recommends pouring 2 5-gallon buckets of clean, potable water into the keg with the aid of a funnel. The bacteriostatic solution can be added between each 5-gallon pour by unscrewing the cap, removing the seal, and pouring directly into the keg. Note that although the keg capacity is 15 gallons, it should only be filled with 10 gallons of water. Overfilling could result in pressurization problems and may compromise ANSI compliance. After filling the keg, connect the fill tube to the eyewash assembly by screwing the fill tube into the eyewash assembly by hand. Next, place the tank gasket on top of the keg flange such that the raised gasket track nests into the flange groove. Then, position the fill tube and eyewash assembly onto the keg flange, aligning the gasket track properly with the eyewash assembly grooves. The clamp must then be applied to properly secure the eyewash assembly to the keg itself. Separate the clamp and clasp each side around the keg and eyewash assembly flanges. Position the bolt heads on the clamp such that the metal stop prevents bolt rotation. Then slide the washer onto the threaded end of the bolt prior to attaching the nut. Once both sides have been secured by hand, tighten the nuts with a 5/8 inch socket wrench until the bolt pinholes become visible. Insert the safety clips into the pinholes. Unscrew the cap from the Schrader air intake valve and use an air compressor to pressurize the tank to 80 psi. Once pressurized, replace the cap on the valve. If the tank is overpressurized, the pressure relief valve will automatically activate. Once the tank is properly assembled and pressurized, press down on the flag handle to test the unit. The plastic knob on the front of the eyewash assembly may be used to adjust the height of the water flow. Emptying and refilling the G1562 is an important process that must occur every 6 months. To empty the tank, completely depressurize it by pulling the knob on the pressure relief valve. Remove the safety clips from the clamp bolts, loosen and remove the nuts, disengage the clamp, remove the eyewash assembly and fill tube from the keg, and dump the water. We hope you enjoyed this video presentation. For more information on this G1562 unit, or to view the rest of our product line, please visit gesafety.com. Thank you for watching.